Hello everyone, JPJRA here, and guys, it's time for me to unbox both of the chocolate little snacks that I already showed y'all while I went to the supermarket and all. So let's just get started. So I'm gonna this is already open, earlier. So this is Pikachu, and I think I'm gonna get, maybe I'll get Lugina, or maybe the legendary Pokemon like this one, not the legendary Pokemon from the Ola region. I think this is, yeah, these are stickers. Maybe this one, that one, that, oh wait, and that's Kobe Bolo, Sukan, Kobe Tidu, Kobe Sylvia. Maybe I'll get that, or maybe Pikachu, or maybe Miku, or the lower region Vulpix. So I'm gonna maybe get this or this one. So get started. Yeah, this is, so we're opening is the bag of the chocolate snacks, and this is a sticker, so it's time for me to open it. Dang it, hold up. Alright, it's already open. Oh, it's a little Raichu. This sticker, a little Raichu, cool. Little Raichu from number 36. Hello Raichu. I like the Hello Raichu. It's a surfing Raichu form, a lower region. Surfing on his tail and do the move and all. Kind of cool and kind of cute. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, so good. I'm gonna open it. Hold up. And what's this? Oh look, a little Pikachu. Let me try. That's pretty good. There's a chocolate flavor and snack now. Pretty good. Like it. Next up, getting this. I think that's another. Let me just open it. I'll you know what, I will open it. So let's say so low. Maybe I get this one, or I'll check and see. Same bag. Okay, inside. Oh! It's a squid. The squid one. Cool. Dressed up as a fish. Yeah, dressed up as a fish. Pretty cool. Little sticker. Another. Oh, cool. Easy to open. Same chocolate star. Pretty good snack. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys like this video of a little short unboxing of the Pikachu and the what's his name, little chocolate stickers unboxing. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked this video, please leave the comments below and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and all type of stuff. And guys, I am gonna see you guys later because I'm gonna get ready to go work. So everyone, have a good day. Stay encouraged and all that stuff. This JPGRA saying, "Nerds are awesome." Peace. Bye bye.